Volunteers bring them to the production facility.
The way we do it is so-called shell method. The iron does not overheat. It's strong and it's good. We are welding so that the metal is not burned out. We use tack welds here and on the backside. Then it's cut off under the shoulders, so it's good.
The weight of the body armor is up to 10 kilograms. It takes about 10 minutes to make it.
Such plates are made from improvised materials because you know that in Ukraine now there is a problem with materials. What can we do for the army in these difficult times? I believe that each of us should do something for our country to make the occupant get out from our land as soon as possible.
All products are tested here. They are checked for durability with real ammunition.
I puna fazla thamba yararoi haira nuai khoina tawise oiraroi nangai ga kauna se kanana ngamge yengna say no mother popa machane nini siba hauna day. This is Northeast, come and mess with that 9.
Guys,